The most precious thing. Long ago, there lived two brothers, Joshua and Ali. They lived on a farm and were very poor. Joshua worked hard every day. Ali was lazy and didn't like to work. One day, Joshua heard of a kingdom far away. This kingdom didn't have onions. Thought Joshua. If I could sell them onions, they'd pay a lot of money. He asked to see the king and was granted an audience. Joshua told the king about the onions, and the king was curious. He invited Joshua to make a big feast with many dishes prepared with onions. That evening, the king and his guests tasted the dishes. Everyone agreed the onions made everything taste so much better. The king smiled from ear to ear. He said to Joshua, "These onions are the most precious thing in my kingdom. In return for them, I will give you their equal weight in the most precious thing I have, diamonds." Joshua was instantly rich and returned to his village with a wagon full of diamonds. Joshua shared his wealth, but his brother Ali was still very jealous. He asked Joshua, "If this kingdom has garlic?" Joshua thought and said, "In fact, they don't have any garlic." Thought Ali. "If I could steal them garlic, I'd be very rich indeed. Garlic is much tastier than onions." Ali traveled to the kingdom as his brother had done. Just like Joshua, he got an audience with the king and made a feast. And just like Joshua, the king declared garlic the most precious thing in his kingdom. It was a big hit. The king said, "I will give you the equal weight in the most precious thing in my kingdom. Here you are, onions." The end.